Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Super. Gramyai samam gramyavat isha cheshtitah evam nigudatmagati swamayaya gopatmajatvam charitair vidambayan. Charitair vidambayan. All these are leelas for him. Niguda atmagatihi. His power, his mahima is nicely hidden. Nighuda atmagatihi swamayaya, because he has taken upon himself to show his avatara as if he is the child of a cowherd. Gopatmajatvam charitaihi vidambayan. Even though his feet are the ones that are worshipped by Sri Devi. Rama Lalita Pada Pallavaha. Rama Lalita. Rama means Lakshmi Devi. Lakshmi Devi is worshipping his feet. Even then, Gramyai Samam. With all the other cowherd boys, he is pretending to be just another cowherd boy, but so many of the leelas are divine leelas. Isha cheshtita. Gramme samam. He is thinking that it is nicely hidden. I am now pretending to be just a cowherd boy. But all the leelas, if you look, several of those leelas are Isha cheshtita. Evam nigudatmagatihi. Who knows the depth of what is in Krishna's heart? Niguda atmagatihi. Shamasundaran has started playing the flute so nicely. Tanmadhavo Venu Mudirayan. And all the boys, Gopair Grinadvihi Swayasho Balanvitaha. Some of them will sing, some of the Gopa boys will sing. Balarama and Krishna, they are entering this particular beautiful Vrindavanam. Vanam Kusumakaram. Kusumakar. The flowers are so beautiful in this Vrindavana. And because there are so many flowers, therefore, so many bees. All the bees are flitting from flower to flower. And when they see Krishna, Balarama, and all these boys, their happiness has increased so much. Therefore, their buzzing is now like a music. Beautiful deer in sets of families. Mriga Dvijakulam. Ali Mriga Dvijakulam. So many bees in groups, many young deer in groups, many beautiful birds, they are singing. All of them are in this Vrindavanam, and they are all looking at this darshana of Krishna, Balarama, and all these Gopa boys with all these cows and calves coming into the Vrindavan. Pashun puraskritya pashavyam avishat nirikshya ranthum. Not only Yamuna river is there are also many other ponds and water features. And those water features are all filled with beautiful, clear water, pure water. The clarity and the purity of the water reminds Krishna of the hearts of the manas of great Mahatmas. Mahan Manaha Prakhya Payaha Saraswata. When this Krishna and Balarama are coming close by, all the trees and all the plants which have so many flowers, so many fruits, all of them, Vanaspatine, Muda, they are all so happy. Who is happy? These trees, these plants are all so happy Falaprasuna urubharena padayoho sprishan shikhane. All the trees are bending their branches so that the fruits will come easily for Krishna, Balarama, and all these boys to take. Similarly, the flowers, branches which have flowers, they are bringing them down to their feet so that the flowers will have the blessing of being offered to their feet. Seeing all this, Vikshya, Krishna is smiling. Smayan eva. He's talking. He's talking to his Agraja. Even though he is the Adi Purusha. Krishna is the Adi Purusha. But he is talking to the person who was born before him, Agraja. Agraja means born before you. Balarama is Agraja. While he is saying Agraja, Shukha Brahmam is saying Adi Purusha. Adi Purusha is talking to his Agraja. That is the beauty. Smayan iva aha agrajam adi purushaha. Sri Bhagavan Vacha. Bhagavan is saying, Aho ami devavara amararchitam. Balarama is Swami, he is saying all the great devas, all the great amaras. Krishna is talking to Balarama. He is saying all the great amaras, they come and they offer worship at your feet. Padambujamte. Similarly, all these plants, all these trees, they are also offering worship. Just like the devas were offering worship to your feet, similarly, all these shikhabihi, atmanaha, they are all offering worship because they know that you, Balarama Swami, is Sankarshana. No? Sankarshana is same as Rudra. That means it is Guru Tattva. You have to understand the Tattva for this chapter. Balarama Swami, Sankarshana is Guru Tattva. Guru removes the darkness. Guru removes the tamas. And therefore you get to enjoy. Guru Arka Labda Upanishad. So this story is immediately an extension of that shloka. Therefore, Krishna is setting the scene. He is saying, look at all these trees. Trees are supposed to have tamoguna, and they are now doing this worship so that their tamoguna can be removed and their janma, even though it is a tree janma, taru janma, it still becomes kritakritya. It becomes greatly blessed. Tamopahatyai taru janma ete anilaha. Look at all these bees. See how they are singing your praise. Akhila loka tirtam yashaha gayantaha. You are Adi Purusha. They seem to know that even though you have taken this avatara and you have tried to show that you are a human being born in a cowherd settlement, Gudam Vanepi Najahati Anagha Atma Daivam. Still, to all these birds, to all these bees, to these trees, to all these hiranas, it seems to be clear that you are an Adi Purusha. Nrityantami Shikina. Look at all these peacocks, they are all dancing, seeing you. They are so happy. Similarly, these deer, they are so happy. Just like the gopis look at us with so much affection. Similarly, these harinis, they are looking at us with so much affection. Priyam ikshitena suktaischa kokilagana. Just like the Vedas praise with so many suktas, similarly, all these birds are actually praising you with their music. It feels like even all these Vrindavana Vasis know that they have to worship Atithis, especially Atithis as great as you. Iyanhi Satham Nisargaha Dhanyeyam Adya Dharani. Dhanyeyam. This particular part of earth has become so greatly blessed. Adya Dharani. Why? Tvat Padas Prusho. Because your feet have touched this. Your feet have touched this, and therefore this Vrindavanam has become greatly blessed. Evam Vrindavanam Srimati. Srimati. Shukabrahma Maharshi is saying, Shuka Uvachano, he is saying, it's Krishna is walking, Balarama is walking, and Krishna is offering all this worship to Balarama. Previous avatar, Janma, previous avatar, because Sankarsana Swami did so much kainkariam, aham sarvam karishyam, jagrata swapatascha he said, while you are sleeping or while you are awake, doesn't matter, I will do all the kainkariya. So Krishna is thinking, now I have opportunity to repay some of that. So he is offering this tuti to Balarama. And Shukabrahmam is saying, both these people are walking on Vrindavanam. What a big blessing. Srimati Vrindavanam evam. Reme. All the boys, everybody is following, and they are on the banks of the river Yamuna. Some boy supposed to be very expert in singing. So he is singing Kvachit Gayati Gayatsu. And he is able to make the singing at the same shruti as the bees buzzing. So that becomes a nice shruti for his singing. Upagiyamana charitaha alishu anuvrataihi. He is able to sing with the bees. And this Balarama and this Krishna, sometimes they are also doing some tune with the bees sound. The bees are humming, Krishna and Balarama are humming, and this boy who is greatly blessed, he is singing about some Krishna Leela. Kvachicha kala hamsanam. Sometimes Krishna will sing along with the Hamsavakshis. Hamsanam anukujati kujitum. Sometimes he will dance with the peacocks. Abhinrutyati nrutyantam varhinam hasayan kvachit. He makes all the people happy. He makes the peacocks happy. He makes the kalahamsas happy. And he makes the birds happy. Megha gambhiraya vacha. Sometimes the cows may go a little bit far away. Last time there was a big leela. All the calves which went far away got lost. So this time, if they go a little bit far away, he calls them by their name. Nama bihi duragan pashune. He knows the names of each of the cows. So he calls them. And his words are filled with affection. Pritya ahvayanti. Because he is calling with so much affection all those cows and all the Gopala boys, everybody is happy. Chakora, so many different birds. Chakora, Krauncha, Chakrakva, Bharadwajascha, Barhinaha. Once Balarama is tired having played so much Krida Parishrantam. Upabarhana means pillow. So Balarama has used one of the boys' lap as the pillow. So he has kept his head on that lap. And who is pressing his feet to repay all the kainkarya that was done in previous avataram? This Krishna is pressing the feet of this Balarama Anna. Padasam vahanadivihi. Sometimes the boys will dance, and while somebody else is singing, at that time both Balarama and Krishna will hold each other's hands and they will bless them with the darshana, accept their worship. Nrityato gayatah grihita hastau gopalane. Shamakarshitah. Sometimes Krishna himself is like, I played too much, so I want to rest a little bit. Shamakarshitah. So he uses one of the boys. Shukabrahma is saying, what a big blessing. Mahatmanaha kechit. Kechit Mahatmanah. We can't describe how fortunate that boy is on whose lap Krishna is keeping his head and taking rest. Shramakarshitah Shethe. And at that time, some other Gopa boy is pressing the feet of this Krishna. Pada Samvahanam Chakruhu Kechittasya Mahatmanah. Mahatmanah. All this is possible only if they are the purest of the pure and greatly ascended. Apare Hatapap Manav. Somebody is doing chamara. Anye tad anurupani manojnani mahatmanah. Their minds of these boys are overflowing with affection, and so they are singing their affection. Sneha klinnadya gayanti. Sneha klinnas, this affection is making their hearts so wet. And because of that, they are klinnadya gayanti. Evam Nigodhatmagatihi. Who can explain what is all in Krishna's mind when he is doing a particular Leela? He is known as Gopatmaja, but all the Leelas he is showing are Ishvara Cheshtitai, Gramya Samam, Gramyavad, Isha Cheshtita Reme, Rama Lalita Pada Pallavo, Gramya Samam, Gramyavad, Isha Cheshtita.